Welcome, everybody. Get yourselves in. Welcome, folks. It's getting serious now. Welcome, everybody. All right. Let's get with it. So, hey, guys, welcome to another live analysis session. I'm going to put this up here. It's been absolutely crazy so far. Markets are absolutely popping off. Right now, Ripple's taking off. Now, I'm upset because I should have taken this trade. I actually called it this morning with my students and I just chickened out, okay? I completely chickened out. Saw this movement right here and that was my entry and I just kind of chickened out. I should have just took it on this account. Stop loss goes beneath and this thing is mooned already, man. But Ripple is literally ripping through the stratosphere right now. It's on its way all the way. It's broken past the zone I had. So I'm hoping there's a return so that I can grab something from it. But the market has been absolutely crazy right now. Bitcoin's all the way at 54 right now. Absolutely crazy. It's just absolutely on the 10. Now, I told you guys, once this last liquidity grab happened here, this was the trigger. I told you guys, this was the trigger and you can see what the market's done. Now, we're clearly going to close above Bitcoin day for sure. And right now, it's so excited. I don't even know what's going to happen. Anything could happen right now. But we're still sitting at this supply zone here. This is where the prices got into here. And I told you guys, until there's no more supply zones left, all right, we're still on our way for an absolute tear. So supply zone right here. This is it. This is where we are right now. Now, I'm hoping that we close above Bitcoin day's high. And from there, we can just have a fantastic run. But it looks as though the price is very well poised to continue in that direction. And I'd like to see soon how the price fares out. So it's been crazy across all the markets here. Now, I'm upset with myself with Ripple because I should have just taken this here. But Ripple's absolutely on a tear right now, on an absolute tear. And I know that the price is going to get all the way up here. I'm just upset that I wish I just put the position on and just left it alone. But you know what? Trading crypto sometimes is very volatile. And this was really my entry. I should have just went for it and just not cared. But that's the problem with trading with fear, guys. You always end up messing this stuff up. Because right here, I was going to put a quick 0.02 in here. And that would have been an absolute tear. All right, now I'm hoping the price will pull back in a moment, but it looks like it's not doing anything of that sort. All right, but we'll see very soon what the price wants to do moving forward. All right, so let's have a look here and see what the price is doing. Let me grab this. Now, I'm going to look across the board and see what's going on with the rest of the cryptos. My expectation is that the price should continue making its way on the upside as price goes on for moving forward. And you can see a lot of the crypto projects are reacting to this movement here. Now, Ethereum does something so beautiful. That was another position that I really wanted to go for, but I've been very busy. Right here with Ethereum, we had one more liquidity grab and a move up that was absolutely beastly. Price went from 33.58 all the way up to 3600 at one point, and it's just beneath that right now. So one absolute trade as well. I mean, we've had some fantastic movements throughout the entire day, and I think it just goes to show you we're nowhere near yet. I believe Ethereum is definitely going to be making its way for one crazy hell of a long, and I think this is just the beginning. Once we get past this area here, I told you guys the last supply zone in Ethereum is right here. Once we break past this supply zone, guys, we're into the no man's land, but we're into a point of no return where the price is going to go on an absolute tear. So be prepared, guys. The bull market is definitely here, and everything is looking good to go. So best advice I can give right now, nothing to say much apart from what to look out for. If I'm looking to the left here, I'll come back to Bitcoin for a minute. The price is closed inside of this area, and on this side of supply right here, the price is hanging over here. So the next major break that we want to see, really, I do expect the price at one point to have a pullback, because there are going to be some people, which sounds crazy, that might not want to hold and want to sell off. So that might happen, but I'm expecting to see this movement here like this. Once we see this kind of close above here for sure. Now, as long as we close above Bitcoin Day, we're good to go. The price may, hang around a little bit, or it might just take off. Okay, but the price action is looking very beautiful. And once we get past here, we're going to go into an absolute tear. I definitely want to be trading Bitcoin long apart, not only just being invested, So I'll say keep your eyes peeled out for that. I mean, right now, I'm just watching the price as it's moving forward. With Ripple, if you want to catch an entry on it, I'm hoping that there'll be a pullback later on to about 108. And then from here, we can continue the path. I already missed the entry back down at 104, but the target for Ripple, guys, is going to be this spike right here above this high. So I'm looking for 125 on that. And that's going to be an absolutely brilliant trade. So keep your eyes peeled out for it. And let's see what the market does. Now, we've had this kind of exponential curve move on the hourly. I'm hoping the price will come back here one more time, 108, 200 approximately. And then from there, we move. Okay, people? So keep your eyes peeled. It might just continue on a tear and go. In that case, I wouldn't put a buy entry. I'll just leave it alone, because the price is so volatile that if you try to get in at the wrong time, you hurt yourself. But I do expect the price to pull back. So very short and sweet, guys. I mean, for me, it's all good. I believe every crypto project that has value, and probably a few of those that don't even have value, are definitely going to go crazy. And I'm just keeping my eyes peeled on what we have going forward. So I'm going to switch over here for a minute. Right now, we've just hit 2.3 trillion, okay, on the dot, and things are looking on the up. Now, Shiba's gone on an absolute tear right here. Right now, in the last 7 days right now, it's gone up 232%. We've got Clayton that's done 40%. Bitcoin Cash is at 26% for the week, 10% for the day. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, apart from Bitcoin, which we know. Let's see. Engine Coin's done quite well, 34%. It's gone on its way back to $2 after a while. Chili's as well. So I think we're at the edge of glory, if you want to say that, before the prices are going to become absolutely crazy. So I'm watching very carefully, and I'll say you do the same. I'll say keep it, no matter what you see, no matter how many green days you see, I'll say keep your mind stable on what the price is trying to do for the now, and keep your eyes focused on that. And then the rest, let the market do what it needs to do. Okay. All right. That's the best advice I can give. So quick one, and I'm out. Everybody take care and have a great day.